Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is something that is very easy, very tasty and everyone's favorite. That is tawa masala burger. So let's begin with the recipe. And for that, in a pan I am heating 2 tablespoons of butter or ghee, whatever you want you can use, and let this melt. So once the butter melts, I am adding half teaspoon of cumin seeds and saute this for about 5 to 10 seconds. Now goes grated ginger and grated garlic. Also goes in 2 chopped green chilies. Instead of grated ginger and garlic, you can even use ginger garlic paste. Now fry this for about 15 to 20 seconds. And now I am adding 1 medium sized onion that I have chopped finely, and mix this well with the ginger and garlic and fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes. And here the onion has been fried well, and so now I am adding 1 medium sized capsicum that I have chopped finely and 1/4 cup of French beans. Now mix this well and let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. And now I am adding the dry spices. So 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt as per your taste, half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder and 2 teaspoon of pav bhaji masala. And now mix everything well. Make sure the flame should be on low while adding the dry spices, otherwise the masala may burn. So saute them, and also I am adding few chopped coriander leaves. If you feel your masala is sticking to the pan, you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water. And now I am adding 2 medium sized tomatoes that I have chopped finely. Mix this well. Now cook this till the tomatoes are soft and mushy, and slightly mash the vegetables. Also I am adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of water just to prevent masala from sticking to the pan. A quick mix and let this cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. And here the tomatoes has become soft. It has been cooked well. So now I am adding 1 large sized potatoes that I have boiled, peeled and mashed. Add this to the sabji and mash this also. You can mash this with the help of spatula or with the help of potato masher. Just break the big pieces of potatoes. So here it has been done. And now I am adding 100 grams of paneer. I have cubed this in small pieces. You can cut this according to your choice. Now give this a good mix. Mix it completely with the stuffing. So this has also been mixed well. And now I am adding cheese. So here I am adding 1 block of cheese. Instead of cheese block, you can add cheese slices, and if you don't have both, you can even grate the paneer and also use them. That will also taste very nice. Like you can add some chopped paneer and you can grate some paneer, so that will also give a very good taste. So everything has been mixed here. You can see the cheese has started to melt. And now I am adding 2 teaspoons of tomato ketchup and few chopped coriander leaves. If you have Szechuan sauce, you can even add that. That will also enhance the taste of this stuffing. And a nice mix. And you can see everything has been mixed. It's looking very nice, very yummy. So our stuffing is ready now. We'll switch off the flame and let this cool down a little bit. And here I have burger bun that I have cut like this, and our prepared masala is also ready. Now what we have to do, we have to fill this bun with the prepared masala. Just coat this evenly from all the sides and fill a lots of masala, then its taste will come out. And now I am grating some cheese on top of it. You can increase the quantity of cheese as per your choice. And now cover this with another bun and similarly prepare the another one. So our burger buns are ready, and now we will toast this. For that, in a hot tawa, I am adding little ghee. Once this melts, I am adding very little of red chili powder and few chopped coriander leaves and a quick mix. We don't have to fry this for about 5 to 10 seconds like this, just a quick mix, and add the prepared bun on this and fry this for about 1 minute from each side. And after 1 minute, flip this over and cook it from another side for another 1 minute. Just make sure when you are adding the dry spices, the flame should be low. And that's it. Our tawa masala burger is ready, and likewise we will prepare the another one. So this is also ready now, and now we will take this out, and our spicy and super easy tawa masala burger is ready. You can see how tempting they are looking. They are looking absolutely delicious, and it's very much tasty than the usual burger. It's very easy to prepare and it tastes amazing. So give this recipe a try, and if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss any updates of my upcoming videos.